Hey guys, welcome to channel again. Just wanted to share with you guys a little project I've been working on. I had a leak behind this wall. The old valve back here was leaking, and I didn't know that until we turned the water on. 'Cause I'm still doing the DIY projects in this house, and some of the water thing I've turned it off. So when they turned the water on, it started leaking, and we could see water like down in the basement. But the whole wall is tiled. If you guys can see, it's like tiled all the way down. And the only place you could get back to this valve was like this small hole right here. And so I was wondering, so how do you even like fix that valve if you if you don't have to demo the whole bathroom and do it? But as I thought about it, I figured that maybe you just use like the grout remover kit, a tool, to just grind like a square or like this, and then remove these four tiles to get to that valve back there. But then as I grinded all these tiles and removed this one, removed this one, I figured that I didn't even have to remove this one to replace this, the old valve, and put a new one in here. So I did. So I carefully pry all these tile off the the cement board that was back there, and then pry this and pry this without breaking it. Um, And as you know, sometimes try to go find this, especially older bathrooms like this one here. The tiles like this could be super difficult to find to match the same design. So I just wanted to make sure it's the same tile, and I don't have to like be forced to put something that's not the same thing. And so I was able to save these three tiles without breaking it. Uh, Put a cement, cover the hole with a cement board back there, cut the hole for this new valve here, and now I have a new valve here. And then later on, I use mortar to just put back these same tiles the way they were. This one was here, this one was here, this one here. You can see a line here if you look closely that the little face, the the metal plastic, the metal that covers the thing here, it was here. You can see it by this line right here. And so I just replaced um, the valve and then put this tile back. Now I'm just waiting for this to dry. I didn't have any like spaces about that is the same size here, so I just found some ties, these plastic ties, and use them as spacers. Cut them in small pieces into the spacer, and then use like nails just to make sure that the tiles are uh, perfectly straight, so I don't have to worry how I'm gonna, just to make sure they looks nice. So that's replaced. So just wanted to encourage you, like if you have a situation like this, you don't have to demo the whole bathroom to replace the valve. That's what was my first thought. Damn, I was like, I had to demo the whole bathroom, but I didn't have to. And this one worked out perfect. So now this is fixed. It looks really good. I'm just waiting for dry. Everything is level. The tiles are level. As soon as it dries, I'm gonna put grout, and nobody's gonna know that I did this and that this was replaced. It will look just perfect. All right. So if you're in a situation like this and you need to fix this, I'm gonna zoom it in so you can see. You can just be creative and just fix this without this, taking the whole wall apart. And this works. All right. And I use some screws here just to make sure that this space is level, and this side is level all the way down around. So once it dry, I can't wait for it to dry and remove those plastic white ties and grout it. Okay, you could do this too without calling a plumber, and I did that myself. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you're into DIY stuff, type of things, check my other videos and let me know what you think. And any questions or how I did this you want to know, or you have a situation like this and you don't know how to do it, please drop me a comment down there, and I'll be happy to answer it and help you out. We're all learning and we help one another. All right? Talk to you later.